Okay, we will configure, or we will learn how to configure the EtherChannel Port Aggregation Protocol, which is PAgP. So Port Aggregation Protocol is developed by Cisco. So it's an inter-channel group of links that works together as a single link. So let us configure these three switches. This side, we will configure it as channel 1, channel group 1, and the mode will be auto. So let's come to this switch. Come to the CLI, enable config interface range F0, 1 to 3. The channel group will be 1, and the mode, let's question mark. We want to configure PAgP, which is auto and desirable. So we have to configure this side as an auto. Let us configure the port channel that we have created as a port switch mode. Trunk, exit, and let's come here, this multi-layer switch. Now enable interface range F0, 1 to 3, channel group 1, mode will be desirable. Say exit, interface port 1, switch mode track. So let's come back here and say show inter-channel port. So here the protocol is PAgP and the interfaces is auto. Let's come to this side, say exit, interface range F/4 to 6, the channel group 2 will be mode auto. Let's create a switch port trunk, switch mode port trunk. Let's come to switch 2, enable config interface range F0/1 to 3, channel group 2, the mode will be desirable. Interface port channel 2, switch port mode track. Say exit. Host name SW3, and this one, the host name will be SW1. Let's say multi-layer switch 1, and here let's change the host name to SW1. So let's come to the multi-layer switch, say end, show inter-channel port, which we have port 1 to 3, it's desirable, and it's connected to switch 1. and the protocol is PAgP, as well as this one. We have interface 4 to 6 as an auto. So now let us say show interchannel summary. We have port 1, which is channel port 1. These three interfaces. Let us say show interface F01. Let us check which it is shown here. Yes. So that's how to configure the port aggregation protocol. Let's come here and check and verify our configuration. Summary. We have port channel 1, and this is how to configure it and verify it. We have the interfaces as an auto. So this is how to configure the port aggregation protocol.